How to apply to be and become a Canva creator. If you become a Canva creator, you can start creating and earning. I'm going to show you how to apply to be and become a Canva creator. So to get started, first you need to visit canva.com/creators. Then click Become a Creator. You can continue with Google, Facebook or with your own email. Click the Continue with Email button. Here you need to enter your email address and click Continue. Now you will receive a code to your email account. Open the email and copy the code. Paste the code you copied and click Continue. Then you need to select the type of content you will be creating and then click Apply. Canva wants to know if you are a good fit for their creator program. To pass the review process, make sure you provide a link of your best work. You need to have a 1 to 2 minutes video of yourself telling about yourself and your experience, and the link to that video here. Now you need to select how did you find out about the Canva Creators program. Then enter further details about it here. Now enter your country of residence. Then click Apply. Great. You have successfully applied for the Canva Creators program. Your application is sent for review. You will be notified about the status via email within a few weeks.